Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to fix the send error on your Coinbase wallet. Okay, so basically if you've sent someone crypto from your Coinbase wallet, but they have not received it yet, guys, what you can do is you can check the status right here by selecting the individual transaction from either the asset page or the transaction page. You would see if the status is completed or if there's any errors, okay? And if the status is pending, you want to wait at least 30 minutes because most transactions will actually complete within this time frame. So what you're going to do, guys, is you want to select the view on the block explorer, okay? From the transaction status screen to actually open the blockchain details and check the number of confirmations. So you want to search for the confirmation, and if it shows it completed, then your transaction is done. And if it's completed, guys, you want to verify that the recipient's address was actually correct, okay? And you want to also confirm the recipient's expected network matches the network that you had actually used to send the crypto. Guys, it's important to note that Coinbase cannot recover funds. If you have sent on the wrong network, those funds are gone forever. That's how crypto works. You cannot make any mistakes in the wallet address and the network. Otherwise, your crypto is gone forever. And if you're having a problem receiving, so if someone sent you crypto but you haven't received it yet, this is what you can try. You can close and reopen your app or browser, or you can update your app to the latest version if this is necessary. And you can actually confirm that the sender actually used the network you were expecting to receive the funds and the correct address. And you can ask them to provide the transactions block explorer link to confirm the correct address and network were used, and you can check on the transaction from there. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.